Well, last week we got the planting table built and put out into the seed starting area. And today we're going to work on the hardening table for a outdoor seed starting area. So we'll be right back after the break.
This video is a build titled Starter Plant Hardening Table Outdoor Seed Starting Area number 2 of 5.
Well, this is the outdoor seed starting area. Here's the planting table that we put in last week. And today we want to build a hardening table that goes right here. So this is going to be kind of a fun build to get it out here and watching the seed starting area and making some progress. So let's head on back over to the shop and let's get busy on cutting out these parts and getting this thing put together. See you yonder at the shop. Well, welcome back. Big day today. We're going to get the hardening table built, and I can't wait to get this out there. I got us a little old sketch to work to, so we got the plan of the day. So let's step on up here and let's take a look at the sketch together so we can see what we're going to be doing today. Okay, here's our little sketch. Here's a top view of the table, and here's a front view of the table, looking at it from this direction. So this is the top, this is the front. The table is going to be about 9 foot 7 inches long, 48 inches wide, and about 40 inches high. The 40 inches is a good standing height for me, so I can work the table in a standing position. That's pretty comfortable. And the top gives me about 40 square feet of surface area, to work on the front top of the table, so I can stack up many trays to harden off at one time without crowding them up too bad. The table's going to be made out of all pressure treated lumber because, of course, this is going to be sitting out in the weather all the time. So I'm going to use 4x4 legs, pressure treated. Nice and heavy, sturdy, very stable, keeps the table good and keeps it put where I want it, and it don't wiggle around on me. So I always use the 4x4 legs. I'm going to use 2x4 pressure treated 2x4 for the frame construction, which is a rail on the top and a rail on the bottom here and here, and then the intercostal pieces here, in between. So all 2x4 frame construction. On the bottom, I'm going to put a shelf right here. It's going to be made out of 5/4 by 6 deck boards. On the top, I'm going to cover it with 5/4 by 6 deck boards as well. That's a good working flat surface area, and I think it's going to be best for what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to also enclose the 3 sides, the 2 sides and the back, with hardware cloth, and then on the front I'm going to install a 2x6 right across the front to make a nice high lip. So when I stack in trays and cups and whatever else I want, that's convenient to me to help with the seed starting area. This will help to keep the wind from blowing stuff out so bad. I didn't really want to put gates and doors and stuff on the front. It's just too much trouble to work with, and I don't really think it's really required. Out here, I think if I just have the 2x6 up here to hold it in the front, I can reach in and set it down, and it'll hold it just fine. That you may occasionally get some real severe windstorm may blow something out, but it's highly unlikely, and that's not going to happen very often anyway, so it's not worth going to all the trouble to enclose it completely. So I just want to do it enough to where I can just step in and put it in and pull it out. So anyway, this is the table. Let's put these on our Facebook page, a JPEG of them on our Facebook page, as well as our community tab on our YouTube channel. So if you want to download that image and build something like this, similar to this for yourself, you can do that too for your own homestead. So let me get started on getting this table together. It may take me a couple of days. It's pretty big. I'm gonna leave the deck boards off until I get the table out in place in the area, and then I'll put the deck boards on last, because just simply trying to keep the weight down, because I have to transport this by hand on a dolly. So let's get started and get this job done, because I can't wait to get this seed starting area ready so we can start growing some groceries. So let's get started. Well, we got ourselves a hardening table. I hope you enjoyed hanging around with me today while we built this. Took me 2 days. I probably could have got it done in 1 day, but the heat index has been in the hundreds all week, so I only work a half a day and outside, and then I have to go inside and do something in the shop or something. But man, it's hot. It's already hot and it's still morning time. But that's Florida for you, and we love it. Anyway, the table's done. It's a fantastic big hardening table. I can work it all 4 sides of the table, so I have plenty of access all the way around it. I can get multiple trays of starter plants up here and harden them off with the morning sun and get them ready for the container garden back there behind me, or out into the earth garden, or the trellis, or the raised, wherever they're going to go. It starts here. So we're really excited about it. I got 60 square feet on the surface, and I got 60 square feet of storage underneath. So come on up and take a look around the table and check it out. The inside underneath under here has got a big old, I ended up putting a 2x8 instead of a 2x6 on the front. Simply because I didn't have a long enough 2x6, but I had the 8s. But I think the 2x8 worked out better, so that might be something you want to consider if you want to build one of these. But anyway, that gives you plenty of storage area underneath for tools and any kind of anything that you need to store in there, starter trays, cups, anything like that. Yeah. So I like the inside of it. It's wired in on 3 sides and open in the front, so it's easily accessible. The top is decked, as well, nice and flat, plenty of room. I really like it. So it looks like we're going to have plenty of years of enjoyment with this table for many years to come and out here. So you'll be seeing this table in a lot of videos here shortly. We're looking forward to getting this garden going. So if you like our videos, please subscribe and be a part of our Homestead family as we bring our brand new homestead in Florida up to life. And it's been one heck of a journey. I appreciate y'all hanging with us all the way through it. It's been interesting. So it's keeping me young, actually. So anyway, if you want to subscribe to our channel, we would be delighted. So me and Nancy want to thank the Lord for everything he gives us, especially these tables and all this garden and the strength to work on them. So until me and Nancy see you next time, we always want to remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.